So after slicing the chicken and garlic, first we preheat a pan. Now we add a bit of olive oil. Wait for it to heat up. Then we add the garlic. We stir fry it. Then we add the chicken breast. I'll add some black pepper to it as well. Then we add butter. We let it melt. Then we add all-purpose cream. I guess just one box or one carton of it. I guess we just mix it around, leave it to simmer. In the meantime, we could add some Italian seasoning. What else? More black pepper. Some parsley as well. Then I guess skimmed milk. Yeah, that's basically it. If I want the sauce to be thicker, I could just add more cornstarch. Let's also add some garlic salt and lemon pepper seasoning. Yep, that's it. Alright, I can see the sauce is thickening. Alright, and then I guess we turn it off. And now we make the pasta.